Hi, this is Chris, Delta Lima 1 Charlie Radio. When Elecraft introduced the KH1 years ago, I was immediately enthusiastic about the concept. A small and lightweight software radio with an integrated telescopic antenna. It can be used in any suitable location on shortwave. So I wanted to build something myself, not in the fine way as Elecraft can do, but I try my very best. I immediately began my own experience with telescopic antennas for 40 to 10 meters. And this experience confirmed that a counterweight is absolutely necessary. It's a wire which is a quarter wave of the length of the wavelength long. And I make the experience that it contributes significant to the radiated energy. So the idea arose to forego the telescopic antenna and experiment with end-fed wires twice the length. The very well-known end-fed antenna. Of course, this end-fed wire, is to stretch as long as possible, and it's better when it's a little bit more up, not on the ground like the radials. But I make some good experience and I get some respectable reports with very low wires as end-fed. So the antenna idea was born for me, for my new rig, but I need a transformer to bring it up to the higher impedance of the end-fed. And I need a tuner as well, because when it's laying on the ground or on a bush or so, it's a little bit detuned. So I take the very well-known resonance circuit for transforming up to the higher impedance and for tuning as well. We call it in Germany, or in the German-speaking areas, we call it Fuchskreis. It was a Austria old man who invented it in the late 20s or so. So the antenna is okay, I have it. But what's about the rig? So in this moment, QRP Labs introduce the QMX. And I was very enthusiastic about this rig. And in this moment, you can use it not only for CW as the KH1, but it works as well on SSB in this moment, and it was wonderful for me. So what I need then? I need a housing. This is the housing for this new rig. And in this housing, I built all the things in that I missed with the QMX in the original shape. You can see I have a speaker here, an amplifier for the speaker. I have the tuning for the resonance circuits here on this side. I use a very silly connector for RF for the output power. It's a normal 3.5 millimeter jack, but it works well. And it switches between the external antenna connection when I bring it in, and here is a dummy, of course, and to the input to the internal resonance circuit. So, what's more? I have a battery inside, of course, and here on this side I have a touch key. So maybe I can try to use the touch key in this moment. Maybe you can see it. Okay. Okay, it works. So it weighs 340 grams, and it's a little bit bigger than the KH1, but it has SSB as well. So thank you very much for listening. Sorry, it's not so easy for me to bring it out in English. Thank you and all the best, 73.